Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Ranni the witch from the game Eldon Rings. All right, so to start with, we're going to draw a line just coming up nice and gentle and coming back down just like so. And then we're going to draw a line coming up, and then we're going to draw a line coming around and back down just like so. And then we have a line inside here that's kind of there because this is dark, light. And then we've got some designs up here that are kind of geometric. And we'll just put in some detail stuff, some positive and negative shapes. There we go. Looks like we have one kind of coming up here. It's almost like lace. All right, then we're gonna draw a line right here. We're gonna start a dot here, and we're gonna have that, and then we're gonna come up from there, just like that, and we're gonna come up from there, just like that, to draw the sides of her face. All right, then we're gonna have a little nose line here, and then a lot of this is shadow. Then we're gonna have a little mouth line here and a mouth line here, just like that, and a lot of that is shadow too. And then we're gonna have a line kind of coming around with an eye here, and a lot of this is shadow, and a line here, pupil here. I think I better make these the same or she's gonna look a little strange. All right, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here again and make a little dot. We're gonna make a V, and then that V is gonna come out like so. Then we're gonna have another line that comes back down and over, and then that's gonna come down, down, and down. And then that is like her shirt. All right. And a lot of this is very, very dark, so it's kind of hard to see what's happening here. Then we've got like a little neck, and we have some little lines here. Almost like kind of some lace. I don't know. There you go. All right, that looks good. And then it looks like we've got some kind of feather things coming off here. Yep, and there's definitely some very bright whites and dark darks. Okay, so now we're gonna get this thing colored, and that'll be that. And then we've got, let's see, looks like we have a few lines back here, a few lines over here. All right, we'll get to coloring on this and it'll come right around. Hey, if you enjoyed this drawing video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.